I built a software where you can track your emotions in Python. These are the codes that I use to build the software. Now let's look at the mood journal. In the mood journal, there are five different emotions: happy, sad, angry, excited, and calm. If I click happy, I can either write about why I'm happy or I can just click save mood. You don't have to write about why you're happy or why you're feeling that emotion, but I'm going to write it. I am happy because England got third place. And when I click save mood, it says keep spreading positivity. And the whole screen has turned yellow. Now, if I click sad, I can write about why I'm sad. I can write I am sad because England lost to Argentina. And when I click save mood, it says remember tomorrow can be better. And the whole screen has turned blue. Now let's go to view statistics. In view statistics, it tells you how many times you've been feeling that emotion. Now let's look at it. I've been happy 16 times, sad 17 times, angry 4 times, excited 2 times, and calm 3 times. At the bottom, there's a special achievement that says gain 10 emotions to unlock a special badge. And I've unlocked more than 10 emotions, and the badge was a mood master badge. Now let's go to mood history. In mood history, it tells you the date that you've been feeling that emotion and the reason why you've been feeling that emotion. Now let me read the 17th of July 2026. And it says I was happy because I helped someone. Now let's go above mood history. And above mood history, there is a clear screen button. And what that clear screen button does is clear all the text in this white box, clears all the text in the mood history. Now let's click it. And all the text in the mood history is gone. But I want to show you something really cool. Let's close this and go back to our VS Code. And let's look at the mood journal again. Now let's go to mood history and scroll down. All the text that I've wrote is saved automatically. So there's no need of you to keep on pressing Command S, which means save. So this video journal just saves all the text that you put all the time. Bye.